Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of them. So, to enter secret codes, just open your phone, open keyboard on it, and you have to enter secret codes here. And the first code for today is the *## 4636 ###, and this is the testing menu. You can see some of the phone informations here. You can see a lot of the phone's informations here. You can also see usage statistics here, and you can access some of the Wi-Fi informations and Wi-Fi configurations here. The next code for today is the *225# *##, and this is the version test menu. Here you can see a lot of informations like product name, you can see the barcode, you can find email information here, a lot of it. The next code is *426# *##, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. And the last code for today is the *06#, and here you can see the email information, me ID, and the serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.